Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to tell you how to do free Coursera courses by applying financial aid. Guys, this is the best opportunity for all of you to take any kind of courses whatever you like for free, and you can get a free certificate after completing the course. I will show you some few steps, you just need to follow those steps. Let's get started. First you need to Google Coursera. You can see a link is given at top. You have to click on it. Now you need to click on join for free option. As I have already an account on Coursera, so I just simply log in. But for those who are new to Coursera, you have to sign up first and then you can log into your account. By importing your email ID and your password. So the Coursera site is open. Now whatever course you like to register, you can search it on the search button option. As I will show you the whole steps, so I am going to select a course which I have not registered yet. So I am taking Python for everybody. You can see it is enrolled by 1.7 million candidates. Now here you can see the details of the course is given. How it works, courses, instructors, enrollment options, FAQ, everything is provided over here. You can go through this description. Now I click on financial aid available. Continue to the application. So here few details are given. If you like, then you can go through these details. I simply click on the two option. Now I type the following sentences. Whatever is written, I agree to the terms above. Now click on continue. Now you have to fill up the details of your background information, why you are applying for financial aid. So you have to fill up those details. Educational background, I am providing college degree. Your annual income you need to write. Employment status, right now I am a student, so I am giving student. How much can you afford to pay? You can simply write 0 per month. You can write this. Why are you applying for financial aid? So here you have to give a valid reason why you are taking this financial aid opportunity and why can't you afford to pay the amount which is provided for this course. How will taking this course help you achieve your career goals? You have to write why it is beneficial, why are you just taking, why you have enrolled to this course. Would you consider using a low interest loan to pay for your courses? Simply click on no. And the last one, if you answer no, please help us understand why. You need not to write. It's optional. click on submit application button. Now you can see that you have received an application email, so you can access to your course after 15 days. You can get the certificate. For that, you just enroll and see the whole videos whatever are given, and you have to submit the assignment in due date, and after 50 days you can directly get the certificate.